All right, we're draining in the break-in oil from when Brian dynoed the engine.
Thank you, Brian.
Yep. Thank you, sir, for breaking it in over there. Keeps us from having a headache, just in case. And you know how much power this baby made, which is good, yeah.
$1 million?
Yeah, great. Definitely more than 4 and 4, I'll tell you that. So, anywho, oil's good and clean, which is good. It's got probably over an hour of runtime on it, including break-in. We're gonna pull the filter, obviously, right there, because it's a Royal Purple filter. We have a NOS FL1A to put on it, so it'll look right. It'll look good. And then we'll put some VR1 in here, and we're gonna send it. But that stuff's nice, man.
By the way,
all of our exhaust is done.
start at nice and tight.
I gotta lay back to get under here. Ugh.
Just watch out for the...
Oh yeah, both sides. Exhaust is in, starter's in, starter cable's on. The wiring on the alternator's all done. I gotta snug it up real quick, but it's all where it's supposed to go. We're pretty much done under here. We gotta do the dipstick tube for the trans.
You're a dipstick.
Yeah, well, that's beyond the point. That's one bolt. We'll get that done. And then we do need to take the kickdown linkage here and route it up too. And that's that. Looking good.
Yay!
Yay! Getting closer and closer.
Yay!